We all have a line that runs down the middle of our heart. That line separates monsters from men. We're looking for two boys. And I think those boys stumbled across a monster.
Sylvia Washington, FBI.
See bad spirits around.
You spent your life helping others.
Try to run from the things that I've done.
But your life is a lie.
I feel my time running out.
I need you to tell me everything.
I say, Lord, have mercy on my soul.
Is everything okay?
You're that guy you were telling me about? He's a person of interest in the murder.
That man is a monster.
There's no such thing as monsters. There's just people who do bad things.
I say, Lord,
I'm going to enjoy this.
mercy on my soul.
And other people do bad things. So stop them.
I say, Lord,